What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Telling truth. We're over here, we just simply tell the truth. I'm your host, Antonio. And with that being said, let's get straight to it. The presentation on the food is pretty good, man. And it smells pretty good too. I'm gonna start off with the gyro. That's fire. There's flavor all through this. Yep. The lettuce, the tomatoes, the cucumber sauce. The gyro meat is seasoned. I ain't complaining about nothing on this sandwich for real. This gyro is fire. Let's get to the chicken shawarma wrap. Let's see, this thing is toasted and everything. Toasted to perfection. Let's go. This joint go crazy. It's loaded with chicken. Toasted to perfection. And there's flavors and seasons all up in there. I liked it over there, man. Babylon, man, 2 thumbs up. Y'all food is good.